Once upon a time, in a cozy little kingdom surrounded by rolling hills and glittering streams, there lived a kind and beautiful girl named Cinderella. She had married her Prince Charming and was now a queen, loved by all for her gentle heart and wisdom. But this story doesn't begin with her glass slipper. It begins with three little princesses. These princesses were named Lily, Rose, and Violet. They were the daughters of a neighboring king and queen who ruled a land known for its grand castles and lush gardens. Although the three sisters were princesses, they didn't always act very royal. They were known for being mischievous, stubborn, and often unkind to one another. One day, their parents, worried about their behavior, decided to send the three princesses to visit Queen Cinderella. "She is wise and kind," their mother said. "Perhaps she can teach you the meaning of true royalty, not just in how you act, but in how you treat others." The three princesses were not thrilled about the idea, but they packed their bags and made the journey to Cinderella's castle. When they arrived, they were amazed at how simple yet beautiful the castle was. It wasn't adorned with the richest jewels or gold, but it felt warm and full of light. Queen Cinderella greeted them with a smile as bright as the morning sun. "Welcome, Princesses Lily, Rose, and Violet," Cinderella said. "I hear you are full of energy and spirit. Let's see if we can put that to good use." The princesses curtsied, though a little clumsily, and followed Cinderella into the castle. Over the next few days, she assigned them tasks that seemed unusual for royalty. Instead of fancy banquets or grand balls, they helped prepare meals in the kitchen, plant flowers in the garden, and even scrub the floors of the great hall. At first, the princesses were outraged. "This is no work for princesses," Lily huffed. "We should be wearing crowns and dancing, not scrubbing floors." Cinderella simply smiled. "A true princess does not measure her worth by her crown, but by her kindness and how she serves others. Trust me, there is magic in what you are learning." The princesses grumbled but continued their tasks. Slowly, they began to notice things they hadn't before. Rose, while planting flowers, realized how wonderful it felt to bring beauty to the world. Violet, helping in the kitchen, noticed how a warm meal brought smiles to the servants. And Lily, while scrubbing the floors, began to enjoy working alongside others and hearing their stories. One evening, Cinderella called them to the garden. The princesses were surprised to see a table set with a delicious feast, lit by the soft glow of lanterns. "Tonight, we celebrate your hard work," she said. "But first, I want to share a story." The princesses leaned in eagerly as Cinderella began. She told them about her own childhood, how she was once treated unfairly by her stepmother and stepsisters, and how she dreamed of a life where everyone was treated with kindness and respect. "When I became a queen, I realized that true royalty is about lifting others, not standing above them," she said. "And now, I see that you three are beginning to understand this as well." The princesses looked at one another, their cheeks turning pink. They realized they had been bickering less and helping one another more. Lily had shared her favorite scarf with Violet when the nights grew cold. Rose had helped Lily plant the garden, even though her hands got muddy. And Violet had made them all laugh during their hardest tasks. "Thank you, Queen Cinderella," said Rose. "You have shown us that being a princess isn't just about tiaras and gowns. It's about having a kind heart." Cinderella smiled. "You have always had it in you. You just needed to discover it." The next day, the three little princesses returned to their kingdom. Their parents were amazed at the change in them. Lily, Rose, and Violet no longer argued or caused trouble. Instead, they worked together, spreading kindness and joy to everyone in the palace. And from then on, the three little princesses were not only known for their beauty but for their golden hearts, just like Queen Cinderella.